beautiful. The person blinded with pleasure. No, you don't care about journey that you have created through your greediness. Come now, man of weak soul. Your days are numbered for you to face the man of love. You may not cry now, but later you will. When the